My first swing ride at the park. Charlotte, are you having fun? Are you having fun? Wow, you're a big girl. You're a big girl. You watching the kids play? Ooh. Ooh. Whee! Look at those feet. I better get those birds. I need to get those feet. Then get them. We're on to look at Charlotte. And here we go. We're going to push her very lightly. No, you can't push her a lot. You just tap it. Tap it. No, that's too much. That's way too much.